Good day, everyone. Today we're going to continue with the IGCSE ICT exams for November 2019. So this is paper 2. So we're continuing with task 4, which is the mail merge. All right. So we're going to run through this quickly. You're required to carry out a mail merge. All right. Create a mail merge later using the file club as the master document and then this as the source file. Okay, so we'll quickly open up that. Okay, so we'll open up the master document. All right, so we are now going to insert the source file, the data source file. Okay, you click on your mailings and then you click on mailing. Yeah, you click on select recipient and then you click on type use existing list. Yes, you click on use existing list. You click on use existing list. All right, so you navigate to the folder where that document is. You navigate to the folder where it is. I think it's on my desktop. All right, on my desktop. Okay, paper 2. Okay, this is it, and then you look for it. What's the name again? Sorry, let's go back to confirm that. Members. Okay, quickly look for members and then you open. All right, so when you open that, I don't know if you noticed that these other areas that were not active, they are now active, so that means you've inserted a data source. All right, so what's the next question? It says replace the date with a field to display today's date in the format. So take note of the format, it is very important. So we're replacing the date. The date is in a curly brace. Okay, so we'll go to the date and then we'll replace it. Now watch it. Now the extra space you're seeing there, it's actually an enter key, so we need to be careful. If you remove it, you have to replace it. All right, so I'm going to quickly enter the date. So how do we do that? You go to insert, hurry up, you go to quick parts. Okay, you go to fields and then you look for dates. I'll just hit D. What just happened? Sorry. I think I made a mistake right there. I double clicked instead of clicking one. Sorry, that was a mistake. So I'm just going to look for D, that's date, and then I'll look for the right format. Okay, look for the right format. Where's the format again? DD. So when you hit the format, you just keep going through. Okay. Okay, so this is close to it. So what we have to do, we need to add an extra D there. Very important. All right. Let's see the format again. Okay, DDMMMYY. So MMMYY. So that's it. All right. So you need to hit field codes. If you want to see the field codes, that's what you're going to see. All right, you want to hide it, you want to reveal it. Okay, all right, so now press on OK, click on OK. So that's the date. Okay, so this is the date I'm doing this. Okay, so it's important that the date on your system must be set, else you're going to get a mail asking you when exactly did you write the exams. Okay, so evidence 10, take screenshot evidence of the date field code showing the format used. Place this screenshot in your evidence. So the date field code, that's what they want to see. All right. So let us explore different ways that we can do this. You can click on this and then you right click on it. You're supposed to see toggle field codes. Okay, so you can use this, okay, as the code they want to see. So you quickly take your screenshot. Okay, I I'm using the sniping tool. Take my screenshots. Okay, new. All right, so I'll take this out a little, and then I'll capture that. Okay, once I capture that, I can copy, and then I'll look for my evidence document. Where's my evidence? Okay, I need to say this. I did other videos on a different system, so I am continuing this evidence, this tax 4, right, on a different system. So please, you can check out the other videos to see what we did in the previous tax. Okay, so that should be evidence 10. All right, so we'll go to evidence 10 and then we'll paste it there. All right, so that's what they want to see. Let's move forward. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Now replace the text and chevrons in the master document with the merge fields from the data source, blah, blah, blah. So you just look for all of this. Wherever you see GRP, you change it to group. Wherever you see that, you change to that. Okay, so quickly I'm going to go to this, and then GRP is for now. Please watch the space, watch the extra space that I selected. Very important, the extra space. So I'm just going to hold my shift key and move it like that. Hold my shift key, and then I use the navigation button to select precisely what I want. Okay, so to change that, you go to mailings, you go to insert merge field. So that is for group. Okay, it's changed. It will change to a chevron. Okay, that's when you know you've done it correctly. All right, so I keep having this challenge, so to avoid that problem, I'll just do this. All right, so once I select format, I will quickly go to merge, and that's for month, right? I hope I'm correct. I'll quickly check. Okay, that's for month, and then the other one is for book, and then author book. So this is for book. I'll click on that and then hold my shift key. This for book. Where's book? There you are. All right. What else do I need to do? I look for author. That should be author, the name of the author of the book. The author of the book. Okay, author. Any other thing? Look. Anything in this bracket should be picked. Okay, in this angular bracket. All right. So this should be for day, I think. Yes, day, and then DT for date. Okay, so day, pick that for day. I'll select this. So that's what we'll just keep doing. Okay, until we're done with changing everything in the angular bracket to the appropriate merge fields. Okay, this TM should be time. Okay, VN should be venue. I'm guessing now I'm using my experience to just do it instead of going back and forth, but please, you need to go back and forth to just confirm that. Okay, all right. This should be for month. Okay, NTS was NTS for NTS should be for notes. All right, I hope I'm correct. Okay, yes I am. So replace, so we've done that. Okay, and then what's the next thing? Make sure the spacing, punctuation, alignment in the original master document are maintained. That is what I was trying to tell you. Do not joke with the spaces. Select only the content in the angular braces with the angular brackets included. Please take note of that. All right, so what next? Replace the text candidate name with your name. Okay, with your name. So you quickly go to the candidate name, and then you can replace that with your name. Okay, all right, with my name, which is Namdien. All right, question again. Include your center number, candidate number in the footer of the document. Center number, candidate number in the footer of the document. So you quickly go to the footer, insert, footer, right? Yeah, footer. Okay, so I'm just going to pick this. I can't even pick the single one. name, right? Center number, candidate number. Please get this right. Ask your teacher. He's going to tell you what your candidate number and your center number is. Very important. Don't joke with us. I don't think I need this, do I? Okay, let me just quickly go back and see if there will be need to use them. Include your name. Okay, include your center number, candidate number in the footer, not even your name. You see, I got that wrong. All right, so I'll quickly remove that. Save and print the master document with the merge fields displayed. So I'll quickly go back and I'll take out my name. My name is not needed here. Okay, so quickly take out my name. Okay, and then I'll take out this text, this placeholders. We don't need them for anything. All right, so there I am. All right, so include, okay, we've done that. Save and print the master document. Like I always advise, it is important to have a pen beside you, and then you tick whatever you've done so you don't keep going back and forth, wasting time, just like I am doing now, and possibly missing a few things. All right, save and print the master document with the merge fields displayed. Okay, so the master document with the merge fields. Now the trick I usually use, I know there's a shortcut for this somewhere, but I can't remember the shortcut right now, so I'll click on one of them. Okay, I'll click on all. I will select all of them. Then right click on one of the place of the fields in the chevron, and then I'll go to toggle field codes. So they should appear immediately. Okay, what's keeping these guys? Okay, let me check. Possibly because of this. Okay, let me see again. All right, so toggle field codes. All right, it worked. Okay, so that's what I usually do. I'll select all of them, right click on one of the fields, and then I'll toggle field codes. All right, so this is what they want. You have to look at this, all of the codes showing, so you print them here. Please go through, check if there's any other thing, anyone in the angular bracket that you've not taken care of. Okay, I think we've practically handled them. Please, okay, let's move forward. Save and print the master document with the matrix. So we've done that, so we are going to print quickly as our printout 4. Okay, please take note, make sure you have entered your name, center number, candidate number on your master document. I think we've done that already. All right, so moving forward now, set an automated filter to select the books choosing for the month of December. So we are going to look for the books chosen by the month of December. So quickly come here, and we can toggle back. Okay, since you're done with that, you can go back. All right, so what are we looking for now? Books bought December. So select recipient. Okay, no, oh, edit, sorry there, edit recipient list. Okay, and then you filter, edit, and then you go to filter. All right, so let's go back to the question. Question says set an automated filter to select the books chosen for the month of December. Okay, so you're looking for the field should be month, under month. Okay, where are you? There you are. Equals December. Please take note of the spelling we spelled. Got it right. Okay, December. Okay, is that all? Any other criteria? None. Okay, any other criterion? Sorry about that. Haha. Okay, so I'll now click on OK, and when I do that, I'm going to have 3 recipients here. Can you see them? 3 recipients here. Okay, let's see if we are going to ask to put an evidence. Okay, place in your evidence document screenshot showing evidence to show the use of an automated selected method. So very important, you come back here. Okay, I like to capture this together. Okay, can I just say okay, and then I'll move this out a little bit. Okay, and move it further. All right, filter, and then I'll capture both of them. Very important, so that the examiner gets to choose whatever you want. Okay, you see this, you see that. But this is very important. This is the most important. Okay, so I'm gonna select new, and then I'll capture both of them. Okay, and then I'll copy. I think that should be evidence 11. Yup, it is evidence 11. So so now I'm gonna do okay, and then I'll go to my evidence document, evidence 11. I'll drop it there. Okay. All right. So moving forward. This is supposed to be very short. All right. Next question: merge and print the letters for December only. Save and close these files. Merge and print. So you're practically done. Just to merge and print. I'll show you how to do that quickly, and this video will be over. Okay. So merge and print. How do you merge and print? You go to finish and merge. You go to finish and merge, but you can preview though. There are 3 recipients here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You can preview if you want. You see what the document would look like for the 3rd recipient, 2nd recipient, and the 1st recipient. All right. So to finish and merge, you click on that and you print. You say print document. All right. So, but if you have need to edit individual letters, you can click on that. But usually we don't. So you print this, and then you're printing all of them. You send that to the printer. Okay. When you do okay, I think it's going to pop up for you to choose your printer. Of course, you should have a printer in your school. Then you choose whatever printer you want. Okay. So these are the printers I have. I can select any of them. Okay, and then I'll hit okay. Once I do that, the documents will be printed for me, but I don't want to print them, so I'll close. All right, so that's that for the tax 4. Thank you for listening. I am going to and watching. Please remember to subscribe, like our video, and hit the notification button. Okay, so I'll quickly close this, and then I'll go to tax 5. Thank you all.